Hello viewers, I'm making fried fish today, and you can, after you fry, you can make three different stuff, or you can keep inside the deep fridge about 1 month, because a lot of people are old, they cannot make food every day. Um, this is I'm washing. I put a few old lime because the fish smell will be gone, and I squeeze already. I put some sea salt and some turmeric powder and mix together. Wash proper way. Then I can dry with tissue paper and seasoning. I have a few more fish here also because I don't want to put all of them. I put a little bit more. Wash slowly. Here lots of fish you can see, because I'm using some inside my fridge, and I can make some fish chutney also, and I can show how to you can keep inside the fridge or for other time you can make the fish curry whatever, or with vegetable, anything you like. This is the easiest way. If you buy one box of sea bass and make small pieces, I make very small pieces because once you fry you cannot cut it again. That's why I cut it and cleaning properly. And now I'm washing. Last time I washed many times, but I didn't show you guys because it will be very long video, and I can show the seasoning and frying. Now I can rinse with cold water. Have used all the ingredients here. You can see I'm using all those ingredients for my fried fish. Ingredient: cayenne pepper, turmeric, paprika, Himalaya salt, oregano, basil, onion powder, black pepper and salt. Now I can dry my sea bass and put all the seasoning in the glass bowl and mix together. My pan is here. You can make the pan very hot. All the ingredient I place inside the bowl, and now you can see I can mix everything together and put my fish pieces one by one. I dry a little bit with the kitchen towel. And the lemon as well. The lemon gave nice flavor into the fish. Because it's fried fish, you need little bit sour stuff also. Here lots of fish. I have to seasoning little by little. I can't do all in one go. You see? You can roast also if you want. Some people doesn't like oil. They are very look after their health too much. They don't like oil. They can grill it inside the oven. Oh, this lemon to make mess. You see some some of that. I have to squeeze slowly. Wow, beautiful color. I feel it like this. You see, mix like this and cover with foil paper about 5 to 10 minutes. Then all seasoning going inside the fish. After seasoning, you can see he has lots of fish. I can keep inside my fridge, or you can, if you make party, you can fry 2-3 days, no problem. And the people who are look after their health and they don't like oil, they can add little bit olive oil like this and put it into the grill. Then one seasoning, you can do 3 different stuff like grill, fry, or after fry you can make fish curry. After 10 minutes, you can see I cover with foil paper. After 10 minutes, I make the oil is very hot, and now you can see I can fry some of them because all not fit in one go. All the tail a little bit fast. I can fry about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes one side, and then I can turn around. So yes, you can see I turn around one side, 1 or 2 getting ruined, but rest okay. Rest you can see so nicely they turn around. And what I can say, yeah, that much I can put inside the pan. Pan is not very big, and I have lots of fish here. You can see I can put inside the fridge for tomorrow, or later on I can fry and give to my friends. It looks nice. Beautiful. You can see my red onion and lemon is caramel now. It's fried properly. I can turn off the fire. Now my fish is cooled down, and I put inside the container and 1 fruit bag. You can close the fruit bag like this and put inside your fridge or freezer, whichever you like. If you put inside the ice, you can use after 1 month or 6 weeks later or 2 months later. Your fish will be fresh. Because I made this one, the people who are very busy, like old people, they cannot make. If you visit your parents, fry some fish and put it in small portion inside their fridge or freezer, and they can eat and pray for you. And I add few pieces with my garden green chili. I can show you guys my chili tree. It's really nice and yummy with the hot rice or quinoa, mashed potato chips, whichever you like. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe. Always appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is my green chili tea. You can enjoy the fried fish with green chili.